On this week's episode, we're going to look at getting this old lathe set up. It's a Hercus 9-inch Model A, which I believe is a copy of the American South Bend lathe. It's 3-phase, so we're going to use a single to 3-phase VSD to wire it up. Overall, it doesn't seem in too bad condition, but the quick change gearbox is all jammed up, so we're going to have to take a look at that. After a quick strip down and clean, it hasn't taken long to find out what was going on inside the gearbox. And it was at about this point here where I really started scratching my head. These 4 gears here are all out of the quick change gearbox, and as you can see they are. After lots of reading on the internet and some quick maths, I did manage to design them in Fusion 360 and thought I'd give 3D printing them a go. This here's what I've come up with, and I plan to print them out of PETG filament at 100% infill. Here they are all printed out. They actually turned out a lot better than what I was expecting. And you can see here they mesh pretty well with the old gears. But still, being plastic, I wasn't expecting much. I also lightly went over all the machine surfaces with some 600 grit wet and dry. Here we are all back together. Got myself a quick change tool post. It's just a cheap one, but seems to be doing the job. Might upgrade that in the future. Gearbox is all back together and working. That's the single to three-phase VFD I used. I'll whack a photo up of the exact one that I bought, but it's just single phase in, 240 volt, three phase out. Works well. We'll make a couple cuts with the auto feed, see how the plastic gears hold up. The deepest cuts I've been doing is about 0.75 mil, so taking about 1.5 mil of material away. I don't really want to push it much deeper than that with these plastic gears and put them under too much load, but that should be peaks for what I want to do anyway. And before you guys come at me in the comments, I'm a Sparky and I've got absolutely no idea what I'm doing on a lathe. But I will learn. On that, the 3D printed gears seem to be holding up real well. All said and done, not really knowing nothing about lathes, I think I got a pretty good deal with all this. The lathe cost me $600 itself. The VSD was around $70 and the quick change tool post was around $100. But let me know below what you think.